this is I like warrior clefs. Anyways, that's what I'm gonna start with. Anyways, so yeah, and all that. So I know. So anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my cat. Of course, she is not gonna be dead whether I have this. Okay, so I'm gonna change the background right now. No. What is? I think this is the right terrier or habitat. She's in ThunderClan. But of course, she's in ThunderClan. Her name is Sweet Kit. That was my first suggestion. Yeah, but then I thought of Star Kit. But then if she ever became Warrior Clan leader, it would be Star. So yeah. But anyways, I don't know what her name is yet. But she is very loyal to the clan. She is an apprentice. So her name is Sweet Paw. Yeah, that's a little bit I have to say about her. Like all that. I just wanted you to know about a little bit about her. She can easily get upset. She's a good swimmer. I know. But anyways, sorry, I was talking to my sister. She's a very good swimmer. Her mother was a half clan. So that means she's welcomed in the River Clan. And so I don't really know if they're enemies or anything because somebody just missed them. Anyways, anyways, I think, okay, I need some time alone. Yeah, guys, so anyways, I got myself together. If I said this correctly. Anyways, yeah. She's very loyal to the clan. She's an apprentice. She has been training for 5, no, 1 moon. I don't really know how to. Please loved me because I